So this was the just quick overview of the Manufacturing Innovation Challenge, the initiative that we are running with the support of Gujarat government and the Ministry of IT, Electronics and IT. But now what we will do is we would like to kind of announce the winners for the third challenge. And before that, I would like to kind of extend my all the thanks to our industry partners and the media partner here. So we had 4 exciting use cases in the third Manufacturing Innovation Challenge. We had Mondelez International, Tata Steels, Titan, and NBC Bearings. So 4 companies kind of joined us and gave us the problem statements, which were very kind of an exciting, unique cases. And it's my pleasure to say that, I mean, when we really kind of took on this, it looked kind of so complex that we were always thinking that, I mean, this will be the toughest problems to crack. And but then great to see that so many startups applied for this challenge. And then we really had a tough time in evaluating all of these solutions and finally declaring the, assessing the winners of this. So it was a kind of a tough exercise. My sincere thanks to all the jury members, senior leaders from the industry who kind of took part in reviewing these proposals from the startups, and also the mentors who guided these startups during this whole phase. So sincere thanks to everyone. So with that, I think everyone, all the startups, especially the kind of finalists who presented to jury, I mean, you will be eagerly waiting to get to know the results. And I'll not take long time, and I will just we will start with the process of announcement. Yagdeep, can you share the
yes,
presentation?
Yes.
So we will first start with a use case, which was on the optimization of resource handling operations. This use case was given to us by Mondelez. So Mondelez factories, they have a very high resource intensive raw material handling operations where multiple contract labor is deployed in the unloading and the transfer, dumping of the different material. And this basically takes a lot of money. So this impacts the cost, and it's also impacts the safety of the worker there. So the objective was to develop an affordable resource optimized solutions for the material handling operations, which is basically capable of delivering good ROI. So that was again a very tough use case, and I'm very exciting to kind of request basically sir to announce the winner for the Mondelez use case.
So the winner for this challenge is Stability Robotics.
Congratulations, Steffi. I'm sure I think you would be listening here, so it should be a very proud moment for you and your team. It was really kind of a great solution that you had put it forward. So many congratulations. With that, we will move to the second use case, which is basically from the Titan. This was to make the analog watch smarter. So the analog watches need to be kind of perform contactless certain operations. These could be some of the financial transactions. And the challenge which was coming up was that if any kind of an chip or sensor which got placed there, it was not able to penetrate the metal part of it. And because of that, it was becoming difficult to really convert the analog watch into a smartwatch. So a solution was needed where some kind of an passive technology can be there, which can help in kind of putting something inside the watch that can transmit the signals. So again, a very complex use case. This was being worked upon for the last more than I think 1 year, and we were kind of finding the solution. So good to see the startup has there's a startup who has a strong solution in place and who can do the POC. And would like to kind of announce that winner, sir, to the second use case.
Winner for this category is the SOX semiconductor.
Okay, congratulations, Hari. There were there were very hard questions that you had got to hear during the multiple reviews that you went through. But I'm very pleased to see that your solution really coming forward, and you've been announced winner. Many congratulations, and we're really looking for you to work closely with our team and then give a do a POC of the solution. So with that, we will move to the third use case, which was from the Tata Steel. So this was a problems in the pipelines where because of the CO2 gas, the choking happens, and it was getting difficult to really predict where exactly the choking is there. And overall, this choking was also causing the reduction in the flow rate of the gas which was passing through. So that way the productivity was less, efficiency was less. And that's where there was a predictive modeling solution which was needed to predict the choking of that pipeline. Very process oriented and a very analytical solution was needed. And there was a very tough competition here. We have so many startups applying for this. And in fact, when we were doing the marking also, they were running neck to neck. But since we have to announce one solution, I think definitely we have a winner here. Sir, can I request you to announce the winner?
In this category is BNG Spray Solutions.
Great, congratulations, Arindam. I'm sure you would be very excited, and definitely you should feel proud of it, because I think you have really come out with many startups who competed for this. So many congratulations. With that, we will move to the last use case, which is on the AI-based, basically for the inventory tracking. This was from the NBC bearing. And the whole objective was to come up with a solution with which there can be automatic counting of the bearings and also of the tracking that can be done. And again, for this use case also, we had a very tough competition with a lot of startups there to with the different solutions that they had. And for the winner, sir, request you to announce.
Winner for this category is Atai Labs.
Congratulations, Gangadhar. It's been a pleasure to see you winning this. I think you definitely had a very innovative solution, taking something which is there in the aerospace industry to this industrial component. I think will be very so congratulations. So, and then we would like to recognize the finalists. So these were the startups who were very close and competed in the final round. They all were in the final round where we had jury to review the solutions. So I'll not say that you are not the winner. Definitely, I think your solutions was also very much there. But since considering we had to pick up one winner, so we had to announce. But I would like to congratulate you also. You are doing a great job. Your whole efforts were highly a lot of effort I know you had put up here to bring forward the possible solutions of the problems. And thank you for participating here. And again, we'll say, so we really look forward to more participations in the future challenges also. So with that, I think so we will have these startups present to us in some time. But many congratulations again. And thank you, sir, for joining in and then taking our time to share your views, to give us the directions and your thought process, your help and the whole government's help that we are getting in running these programs is very valuable. And thank you.
Thank you, best wishes.
Thank you. And thank you to all our industry partners to give us the use cases, the problem statements, and trusting us that some of the complex problems can be solved through these startups. So this was really great to have these exciting problems.